Hello students. Today we are going to study about different properties of various types of quadrilaterals. This is a very important session, so please listen to this carefully and keep it in your mind properly, because without the properties you would not be studied the you would not be able to do the questions as well. First of all, we will be studying about the first type of quadrilateral we will be taking to be parallelogram. The properties are very simple, like in a square, if you will be taking that all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. ये properties आपने square, rectangle की बहुत पहले से पढ़ी. Now we will be studying about the other shapes of the quadrilateral. उनकी properties we will be studying. Now, first of all, it is a parallelogram we will be taking. So, in a parallelogram, the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Like in this, if we'll be taking the opposite sides, I will mark it. Which are the opposite sides in this? So AB is equals to CD, and opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel also. The other opposite pair of parallel sides is AD would be equals to BC. So this is one property, that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and also parallel. The second or third property, you can say, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Like in this, angle A would be equals to angle C. Okay, this is opposite angle. So opposite angle का ये one pair है, and the other pair of opposite angle would be angle B would be equals to angle D. These are two pairs of opposite angles. They are equal to each other. This is the second property written here. The third property is diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So the diagonals of a parallelogram means AO, this is AO, and this OC would be equal to each other. And on the other side, the other side's diagonal is DO, this would be equals to BO. So this is diagonals bisect each other, means the diagonals divide each other in two equal parts. One more property is there, which is not written, is the which you have already studied as well. अभी आपने पढ़ा कि opposite angles are equal. And what about adjacent angles? Adjacent means जो angles साथ में हैं, तो उसके लिए है कि adjacent angles of a parallelogram measures 180 degree. They are supplementary because you have studied in a parallel lines, the co-interior amongst the parallel lines, the co-interior angles are supplementary. So same ways here, angle B plus angle C are co-interior angles for the line CD and AB. So same ways, there are many pairs of supplementary angles, adjacent angles, like A plus D is 180, A plus B is 180, B plus C is 180, C plus D is 180. So one pair is A and D, A and B. Two pairs. Third pair is BC. Then fourth pair is CD and CB. So these are all measures 180 degree. These are the various properties of parallelogram which you are going to use in your exercise 3.3 as well. Then there is rhombus. Rhombus में आपको पता है अभी तक क्या? That a parallelogram with all the sides of equal length. Rhombus होता क्या है? एक parallelogram जिसकी all sides equal length की होती हैं. तो इसमें parallelogram की properties तो आई जाएंगी. It means in a rhombus, opposite sides are parallel, all sides are equal. But why it is not a square? Because might be its all angles are not 90 degree. It can be, but it is not confirmed. It is not sure. So it is having all the properties of a parallelogram, that opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal. It means here it is all sides are equal. Then diagonals bisect each other again like that. And the additional property here is the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. I will give you an example here. What exactly it means. Like if you will be taking this, you have done in class 7th as well already. So it's a recap basically. If these are the diagonals, so they bisect each other means PO is equals to OR and SO is equals to OQ. And they are perpendicular to each other means this angle is 90 degree. So in a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other and bisect each other at right angles. So all these in between angles are 90 degree each. Then moving ahead to rectangle, this rectangle you are studying from your many classes. So rectangle is a basically it's a type of parallelogram with a right angle. If we'll study the various properties in detail, so it is having all angles to be 90 degree. One property is opposite sides are equal. That's what you have studied from previous classes. Now the new property is diagonals of a rectangle are equal. So can you give me the example of the diagonals? It would be Km would be equal to NL. So the diagonals of a rectangle are equal, that is NL is equals to Km. Moving ahead to the next type of quadrilateral, that's a square. It is a rectangle with sides of equal length. Square is a special type of rectangle. Do you know that? So if it is a special type of rectangle, so it must be having all the properties of a rectangle and as well as all the types of a parallelogram. So it is written all the properties of a parallelogram, rhombus and a rectangle are making a square. So if we'll directly talk about square, so what are the properties? All the sides are equal, all the angles are equal, and all the angles of a square measures 90 degree each. Diagonals are equal, diagonals bisect each other. I hope it's clear to you well. Let's move to the last type of quadrilateral for today. It's a kite. Kite is a quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. In a kite, the two sides which are consecutive, जो साथ में हैं, वो sides आपस में equal होती हैं. Like AB and AD here are equal. This is AB and this is AD. They both are equal, and BC would be equals to CD. These two are equal. So first property we will write as the adjacent sides are equal, then the diagonals are perpendicular to one another. If you will make its diagonal, they are perpendicular to each other in this. This is the first diagonal AC and this is the second diagonal BD. They are not equal, but they are perpendicular to each other. This is the property of the kite. And in the figure, measurement of angle B is equals to measurement of angle D. One pair of opposite angles here is equal, but the another pair of opposite angles is not equal. Okay, so these are the various properties you have studied today. You must revise it again and again to make your exercise more clearer, because the questions you will be able to do if you know the properties, various things about various quadrilaterals you must be aware of. I hope you are clear with parallelogram, rhombus, square, rectangle, kite, and you must know that like all the squares can be rhombus, but all the rhombus cannot be a square. This kind of questions we will be studying in the exercise 3.4 as well, that which figure can be the other one and which figure cannot be the other one. So if you have to know that why a square can be a rectangle or not, This kind of question you can do only if you are aware about the various features, the properties of various quadrilaterals or whatever figures you are having. So before we'll move to next exercise, take care and revise this properly. Thank you.